Worthy, and I'm a success strategist. What does that mean? It means that I help people get successful. We're going to help you put your strategies in place so that you can reach your goals. Have a desire to be great? Well, tune in. Today I'm giving the recipe for greatness. Do you have what it takes? Hey guys, I'm so sorry I couldn't be with you today, but I am thankful that a provision was made that I could send you my message in video form. I can't wait till we get together and we're able to talk and share and have a great time, and I know we can be great together. I hope you enjoy my message. See you next time. Knowledge, desire, power, and consistency. Those are the 4 key ingredients for greatness. Let's start off with knowledge. Knowledge is super important because that's how we gain information. But how do you know what to learn? It's almost like packing for a mystery trip. You don't know where you're going, when you're coming back, so you have to pack a little bit of everything. You need a swimsuit and a coat. You need a hoodie as well as a suit. So, same thing with knowledge. You can't pick and choose what to learn in high school. You need it all because you have no idea where you're going. Life is going to take you on a trip, and you need to be well prepared. Knowledge isn't the only thing you need. In addition to knowledge, you need desire. A lot of people know things, but until you have either extrinsic or intrinsic motivation that's going to propel you forward, it doesn't matter that you've learned a lot. For example, many people know statistics about civil disobedience cases. However, it's not until you have a desire within you to change or to help others make a change that you can put that knowledge into use. So, the best form of motivation would be intrinsic motivation. Not something that is controlled by people outside of you, but have a genuine desire to improve a situation. That's how you start off to greatness. So, knowledge, desire. This third ingredient is super important. Power. You've got to recognize that you have the power to make a difference, not just in your own life, but also in the lives of others. But many people don't recognize that. So many people complain, but you know what they say? If you can change it, change it. If you can't change it, change you. And by change you, I mean change your attitude. How are you looking at this? If something is really big and you don't have the power within yourself, get more power. Pull in all of your resources so that you can get as much strength as possible to push this obstacle out of your way. Got knowledge, desire, power, but now we need that 4th ingredient. Consistency. Consistency is super important because once you know what to do and then you have the desire to actually do it, you pull in your resources and you get the power behind you to do it. If you only do it one time, that's not great. It has to be done repeatedly. Consistency is needed because it's those small efforts that we do, that we repeat over and over, even when it's inconvenient. That's when you know you're doing something great. Anybody can do anything well one time, but can you repeat your success? Only if you practice consistency.